Hi friends, welcome to Home Decor Ideas. Modern kitchen design focuses on creating a seamless blend between functionality and aesthetics. Today's kitchens are not just cooking areas, they are social hubs where families gather, eat, and connect. One of the biggest shifts in kitchen design is the move toward open concept layouts. By removing walls, kitchens now merge effortlessly with living and dining spaces, making homes feel larger and more inviting. Minimalism continues to dominate modern kitchen trends. Clean lines, clutter-free surfaces, and simple cabinetry create an elegant, timeless look that never goes out of style. Lighting plays a critical role in kitchen design. From pendant lights over the island to under-cabinet LEDs, good lighting elevates both ambiance and functionality. Natural materials like wood, stone, and marble are widely used to bring warmth and texture into kitchens. They offer a beautiful contrast to sleek appliances and smooth finishes. Matte finishes are becoming increasingly popular for cabinets and countertops. They reduce reflections and fingerprints, giving the kitchen a soft and sophisticated appearance. Two-tone cabinetry is a trendy design choice that adds depth and visual interest. Common combinations include white and navy, gray and wood, or black and walnut. Smart storage solutions are essential in any kitchen. Features like deep drawers, pull-out shelves, and corner carousels help keep everything organized and accessible. Kitchen islands have become must-have design elements. Whether used for food prep, seating, or extra storage, an island enhances both style and functionality. Color trends in kitchen design are evolving. While neutrals remain popular, bold shades like emerald green, rust orange, and charcoal black are gaining momentum. Backsplashes offer the perfect opportunity to introduce creativity. From classic subway tiles to geometric patterns, they can dramatically change the overall look of your kitchen. Modern appliances are smarter and more efficient than ever before. Touchless faucets, smart fridges, and app-controlled ovens make cooking easier and more enjoyable. Quartz countertops are a top choice for homeowners due to their durability, stain resistance, and wide range of patterns that mimic natural stone. Kitchen flooring plays a huge part in setting the tone of the space. Popular options include hardwood, luxury vinyl, and large format tiles for a clean, modern look. Ventilation is often overlooked but crucial. A stylish yet powerful range hood ensures a fresh and odor-free cooking environment. Small kitchens require strategic planning. Vertical storage, compact appliances, and bright colors help maximize space and make the kitchen appear larger. Galley kitchens, though narrow, can be incredibly efficient. Their parallel layout keeps everything within reach, ideal for frequent cooks. L-shaped kitchens offer flexibility and plenty of countertop space. This layout works well in both small and large homes. U-shaped kitchens provide generous storage and work surfaces, making them perfect for busy households or families who love cooking together. One-wall kitchens are a popular choice for studio apartments or modern open-plan homes. With the right design touch, they look sleek and luxurious. Natural light makes any kitchen feel more open and uplifting. Large windows, skylights, and glass doors help create a bright, welcoming atmosphere. Adding greenery to kitchen design is an emerging trend. Indoor plants, herb gardens, or green walls bring freshness and life into the space. Sustainability is increasingly important in kitchen design. Recycled materials, energy-efficient appliances, and eco-conscious finishes appeal to modern homeowners. Statement hardware like brass handles, matte black pulls, or textured knobs can instantly elevate even the simplest cabinets. Multifunctional furniture is especially useful in small kitchens. Foldable tables, mobile islands, and built-in seating help save space without sacrificing comfort. Kitchen organization products such as drawer dividers, spice racks, and pantry bins create a cleaner, more efficient cooking environment. Modern kitchen ceilings are evolving too. Coffered designs, wood beams, or recessed lighting add architectural depth and personality. Appliances are now available in a variety of colors and finishes. From stainless steel to matte black to retro pastels, every style has a perfect match. A well-designed kitchen should reflect the homeowner's personality. Whether you prefer minimalist, rustic, industrial, or classic styles, your kitchen can be fully customized to your taste. Ultimately, kitchen design is about blending beauty, comfort, and practicality. A thoughtfully planned kitchen enhances daily living and adds long-term value to your home. Thanks for watching my video.